Hello my beauties and cuties! Welcome back to the All You Can Face YouTube channel where we talk about beauty, skincare, facial exercises and massages and everything to become technically the best version of yourself. And in case we haven't met before, I'm Anastasia, the founder of a program called All You Can Face, where you can learn every day facial exercise techniques and truly enhance your skin beauty from inside out without buying anything else. And today I have a little special for you. I get asked a lot by you guys, and I'm truly get asked a lot by you. This is not just like some saying, what I'm doing with my hands, because your hands give out a lot of information about your age and how you actually take care of yourself. And in particularly, I love to color my nails in all kinds of colors. And of course, this is maybe not your favorite color, but I usually color my nails depending on my mood and whatever technically floats my boat on that day. I thought I'll walk you through my entire Handcare routine. So how do I do my own manicure? How do I take care of my nails and skin? And yeah, how can you also maintain your hands and skin, and how you can also do all these hacks and tricks at home to maybe save $1 or $2 on a manicure appointment. So without further ado, let's start. So first of all, let's start by how do I actually achieve this? Because people even think this is gel, this is something maybe like glued onto, but no, this is really only nail polish. And for a beautiful manicure, you need to have healthy and strong nails and also soft and supple skin. So how do we start? Before anything, I usually cut my fingernails, and I usually use scissors and no clippers because I can just like go into the shape a little bit better. And yeah, this is what I've used already all the years. So if you use clippers, no worries at all. You can use them of course as well, but I use scissors, which are not really sharp and really like made for your fingernails. And so after I cut my nails, I use a nail file, and you can see this is already pretty much used. And I love this one because this has all kinds of sides to it, and it literally gives you step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And basically I just go in and really file everything into shape, and also make sure that everything is soft and smooth. And as you see, I'm a fan of short nails, so basically that's my go-to thing, because for me personally it's just more practical also doing facial exercises and massages. But I find it also very beautiful when I see certain celebrities having nails like this, but I'm asking myself how they are actually typing on their phone or doing normal chores. So once I cut my nails and filed them into shape, I'll take care of the cuticles around this area, and this really gives out a good manicure or not. And I personally, as already mentioned, do it myself, and I use this gel by Sally Hansen and literally apply a little bit on the cuticles of each nail. Wait until it a little bit absorbed, because it makes the cuticles really soft. And you can then go in with a tool, and this tool looks like this. So I use this end right here. I make sure it's clean and sterilized, and then I go ahead and just push the cuticles backwards into shape like that. And I do this for every finger, so to speak. And then if I see like a little bit of skin, which sounds a bit more disgusting than it is, a little bit going up, I actually use some scissors. These are a little bit different scissors than the ones I use for my nails. These are a little bit more sharper. Yeah, definitely be careful with those, but I gently remove the excess skin. But again, make sure this is really sterile, and also do not cut into your hands, do not cut more than you should, because obviously this cuticle part right here is here to protect your nail. So really be careful in that department. So now that we have our cuticles prepped, our nails in shape, sometimes, but to be honest, not always, I use the rest of the files and, for example, go in and really polish the nail bed to make it really even and strong and smooth. So this is what I use. There's all kinds of files out there, but I think this is a couple of dollars off Amazon, so nothing fancy, nothing special. Even the other tools like the scissors or like the Sally Hansen lotion, which I already have since, trust me, like I think 2 years, and it still lasts. It just takes a little bit of investment initially, but those tools last you for years if they are good. After I maybe filed my nails, I go in and start with my nail polish. And for that I am sometimes lazy, to be honest, and in order to make it really right, you actually need to have a coat which protects the nail. You can even use something which really is nourishing for the nail, but between us, I sometimes not do it, and I right away go in with the nail polish. I'll show you a couple of my favorite colors because a lot of people ask me, what are you actually using? For example, this is my all-time favorite red color. And people ask me, hey, where's this color from? It's called Kundalini Hustle, and it's from this brand Smith & Cult. This nail polish is not the cheapest, but it's absolutely worth every cent. It applies smooth onto your fingers. You only need one coat of this nail polish. It lasts already really, really long, so I love this one. And the current blue one I have on, I know it's probably not everyone's taste, is this color right here, and honestly this is a €2 nail polish. It's like going to Boots, CVS, and in Germany it's called DM, which I love, and so this is really like a DM house brand nail polish. Other than that, I love also the brand Essie. I like this brand right here from Mavala, and really like brands like this, again, like really, really cheap, and everything I'm showing you right now, except the first one, is between $5 and $10. And this is also a little secret, you do not have to spend a lot of money actually for nail polishes in order to make them look good, because now we get on to my secret weapon. But before showing you what I'm actually using to make every nail polish look really, really good, of course, like the magic when doing nail polish is to make everything look nice around your fingers, right? Like here. And so if I color something like over, I use like a little wooden stick and just like clean everything out around so the shape maintains more or less kind of nice. When you do your nail polish, this is a really cool trick. You can also use a toothpick, no need to buy these. And yeah, like just clean out everything around the cuticle area so everything looks neat and clean. And now let's get into my little hack, which I love to use, or like the product I love already since years to make every nail polish look really good. And that is this little baby right here. It is from Sally Hansen and it's called the Insta Dry Top Coat. And trust me guys, this is really like my super weapon. People think I have gel or shellac, we call it in Germany, but this is really like the normal nail polish which I use as a top coat to make any color look expensive, because it just glides onto your nails and it really like seals everything in with a really beautiful layer, and it dries also pretty quickly, so your nails can be used, or your hands can be used normally when doing your manicure or pedicure. That is basically it when I do my manicure. But what do I do to maintain beautiful hands? My ride or die product, which I also use for lips, for chapped areas when I bruised myself, is, as already mentioned before a lot of times, the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream. And I love to apply just a little bit on the cuticles like this, and then I mix it up like that, and then I really massage it into the cuticles. And you can use that throughout the day, but also before going to bed, and you wake up with really flawless and beautiful fingers. Of course, your skin on the hands should also not be neglected for beautiful looking hands, and for that I love to use this product right here from Veleda, from Skin Food. You can actually use it also for your face, but I love it as an amazing hand cream also for your feet. Best thing to buy. In Germany it's not really expensive, and yeah, it's really, really rich. So if you're, for example, traveling or something, you do not need much, or wash your hands beforehand and just use a little bit, and then a little bit goes a long way. But at night, when I do not touch a lot of things, I actually use a quite a good amount and really like massage my hands. And in terms of massage, just like massaging your face, you can actually massage your hands and also activate and release all the tension from your fingers, and also maintain the knuckle smoothness, so to speak, and enhance blood circulation. And for that I have actually an entire video which I will link down below, because you can absolutely maintain the beauty of your hands with massaging them on a regular basis. In fact, I think this is the best way to go when you want to have beautiful skin and beautiful hands way down your life. And then lastly, of course, just like for the face, don't forget the SPF. So whenever I apply sunscreen on my face, I use the residue and apply it onto my hands. And I try also to reapply throughout the day, because we are very often using our hands outside, having them outside in the sun, and of course your hands show aging way much faster than any other body part, because we are using them so much. We are also exposing them to cold, to sun, to any environment. So really use SPF to protect your hands, at least from the sun. And then also in times of the pandemic, we need to make sure that we maintain a good hygiene. So if you obviously clean your hand, like make sure to wash your hands regularly. But if I'm on the go, I really love this product right here. It's by Dr. Bronner. It's a bio lavendel hygiene spray. It is 99%, well, it sterilizes 99% of germs and bacteria. Of course, it doesn't actually substitute for a really good old hand wash, but nevertheless, I think for traveling, and this is amazing. And it actually also smells really nice, because it smells like lavender, so it really calms me whenever I'm like on the go before a plane or something. So I just spray a little bit and really inhale it actually, and it just gives me like a little piece of calm throughout the day. And with that being said, this is like a little quick introduction into the taking care of my hands when it comes to all the products I'm using, and this is what I'm currently using. But if I have any updates, if I'm changing anything, I make sure to let you know, or if I find anything else which is really life-changing in terms of that. But overall, I also think you can truly maintain beautiful hands by taking care of themselves. Of course, it's sometimes nice to go to a salon and sometimes really takes care of you, and if it's nicely done, definitely go ahead and treat yourself. But throughout the days and weeks, I personally do not have the time to go every day to a nail salon, to go there, to sit there, to pay lots of money. And so I hope these little hacks and tricks helped you to motivate you maybe to do your manicure at home. And with that being said, if you have any questions, any comments, anything I can even improve in terms of my hand care system, so to speak, make sure to leave it in the comments below. And I thank you so much for sticking around, for being part of the community. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I can't wait to see you next week. Till then, mwah.